In the vast expanse of space, a new constellation has emerged, one that doesn't twinkle with distant starlight but hums with the promise of connectivity. This constellation is not made of stars, but of satellites, each one a beacon of hope for a more connected world. This is Starlink, a satellite internet constellation launched by Tesla in 2019. With each launch, dozens of satellites are sent into orbit, creating a network that spans the globe. These satellites work together to provide internet access to even the most remote corners of the Earth. Starlink's mission is as ambitious as it is simple, to provide high-speed internet access to every corner of the globe. This means that no matter where you are, whether in a bustling city or a quiet rural village, you can stay connected. The goal is to bridge the gap between those who have access to information and those who do not. Imagine a world where geographical location no longer dictates access to information, education, or economic opportunities. Students in remote areas can attend virtual classes, doctors can consult with patients in distant locations, and businesses can reach new markets without the limitations of physical distance. This is the transformative power of Starlink. This is the future Starlink envisions, a future where the digital divide shrinks with each passing launch. As more satellites are deployed, the network becomes stronger and more reliable, bringing us closer to a world where everyone, regardless of their location, has the opportunity to connect, learn, and grow. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. At the heart of Starlink's operation lies a network of low Earth orbit satellites. Unlike traditional geostationary satellites positioned much farther away, Starlink's LEO network allows for faster data transmission speeds and lower latency. As of December 2024, thousands of Starlink satellites grace the skies, with plans for an even larger constellation in the near future. This interconnected web of satellites works in unison, beaming high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of our planet. For those living in rural and remote areas, access to reliable and affordable internet has long been a challenge. Traditional internet infrastructure often struggles to reach these underserved communities. This is where Starlink shines. Imagine a small village nestled in a valley surrounded by towering mountains. Before Starlink, connecting to the internet was a distant dream. Now, with a small satellite dish, they have access to the same online resources as anyone in a bustling city. Section 4: Starlink's growing global footprint. Starlink's impact extends far beyond providing internet to remote villages. It is revolutionizing the way we think about connectivity. It's connecting people and transforming lives across the globe. In urban areas, it offers an alternative to traditional internet service providers, often at competitive prices. From enabling remote work opportunities to facilitating online education, Starlink is making a significant impact. Students in underserved areas can now attend virtual classes, and professionals can work from virtually anywhere. Starlink is bridging the digital divide one connection at a time. By providing reliable internet access, it is opening up new possibilities for economic development and social inclusion. As Starlink expands its reach, it is not just about connecting more people, it's about creating a more interconnected world where information flows freely and opportunities are accessible to all. However, this expansion also sparks conversations about the geopolitical implications of a private company providing global internet access. Questions arise about data privacy, national security, and the balance of power in the digital age. It's a testament to Starlink's impact that its role in shaping the future of connectivity is being discussed on an international stage. Governments, tech experts, and global organizations are all paying close attention to how this ambitious project will influence the digital landscape. As we look to the future, Starlink's growing global footprint promises to bring us closer together, fostering a world where everyone has the opportunity to be connected, informed, and empowered. Section 5. The future is bright. Starlink's trajectory. The future of Starlink is filled with promise. The company continues to refine its technology, with plans for even faster data speeds and lower latency on the horizon. Imagine streaming high-definition movies, participating in online gaming, or attending virtual conferences, all with seamless connectivity no matter where you are in the world. That's the future Starlink is building. Section 6, Claymation breathing life into Starlink's story. To truly capture the magic of Starlink's impact, we turn to the art of claymation. This charming and whimsical animation style with its meticulous frame-by-frame movements is the perfect medium to tell the story of human connection. Imagine a claymation character, carefully molded and brought to life, gazing up at the night sky as a Starlink satellite streaks overhead. It's a simple image, but one that speaks volumes about the power of this technology to connect us all. Section 7, a universe of connectivity, Starlink's legacy. Starlink is more than just a satellite internet company. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a more connected world. Founded by SpaceX, Starlink aims to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the globe. This ambitious project involves launching thousands of small satellites into low Earth orbit, creating a network that can deliver internet services to places where traditional broadband is unavailable or unreliable. As Starlink continues to expand its reach, it leaves an enduring legacy. The impact of this network is profound, not just in terms of connectivity, but also in how it transforms lives, from enabling remote education and telemedicine to supporting disaster response and economic development. Starlink is reshaping the way we interact with the world. Imagine a world where everyone, regardless of their location, has the opportunity to learn, grow, and connect. In rural and underserved areas, Starlink is bridging the digital divide, providing students with access to online resources and enabling businesses to reach new markets. It's not just about internet access, it's about creating opportunities and fostering innovation. This is the future Starlink is helping to create, a future where the stars are no longer the limit but the starting point for a universe of connectivity. By democratizing access to information and communication, Starlink is paving the way for a more inclusive and connected world. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun. With each satellite launched, we move closer to a world where everyone can participate in the digital